and welcome! Today let's make some trendy stationery and one more idea, which is going to be a desktop organizer. And let's start with pens. I like pens. I'll use these ugly ones. Painting them white with acrylic paint, or as an option use nail polish. Of course, apply paint in 2 layers, this way it's going to be neat. Now, making feathers. They can be painted with the same kind of acrylic paint or watercolors. Dipping the brush into water, a bit of paint, and then stroking the white paper. I love watching the paints mixing. When it dries out, cut it. Take 2 paintings and apply glue along the contour except for one side, where we will insert the pen. Sticking them together. Protecting with the sticky tape. Removing the excess. Put it on the pen and glue a ribbon. And finally, making some cuts to make it look like a real feather. I like the way it looks, stylish, cool idea, I recommend it. Let's make an organizer. Who loves unicorns? I think everyone does. So this project will look like one. Paint the flower pot white. Painting eyes. Blush. Yeah, here comes the decor. Add some glue to the cardboard and pour sparkles. When it dries, cut the excess and form a horn. Stick it to the organizer. Flowers, you can take some artificial ones or make some yourself from the paper. Take paper, bend it, and draw the petal. Cut out, curl the top of petals. Roll the first petal into a tube, and others should be glued around. As for me, looks as good as ones from the shop. Gluing them. I guess there is no objection, it's a very good organizer, which can also serve as a desktop decor. Backpack. I apply fabric paint to the palette using all the paints I found. By the way, I have got a regular one, light colored. Cut a piece of a sponge. I dip it into paint and tap it randomly all over the backpack. Beautiful mix, pink and blue, also pink and orange, looks great. Additionally, I apply the paint I want to be the most visible. Now the life hack. I take a wet kitchen towel and tap it all over the backpack too. This way the gradient will get smoother. I didn't plan it, but look! Blue paint has sparkles. So in addition, my backpack glitters. I don't know what too much means. So I also hang a pom-pom here. Looks perfect with white and denim clothes.